Ayan, so here is our sample problem number 4 sa simple curve. So ito yung problem natin. Basahin muna natin. A simple curve connects two tangents A, B, and BC with bearings 85 degrees 30 minutes northeast and 68 degrees 30 minutes southeast, respectively. If the stationing of the vertex is 4 kilometer and 360.2 meter and the stationing of PC is 4 kilometer and 288.4, determine the following. Ayan. So before natin makuha yung mga pinapahanap sa atin, so ayan, yung gawin natin is i-plot natin. So sa sample problem number 3, so magkamukha lang naman ito sa sample problem number 4 natin. Ayan, so, una, i-plot natin. So, ito, may bearing na binigay. So, let's say, theta 1 is ito na lang, 85 degrees, 30 minutes, northeast. And then, yung theta 2 natin is ito, 68 degrees, 30 minutes, southeast. Ayan, so, una, ito, i-plot natin. So, dito na lang. So, ito, theta 1, northeast. So, dito. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan. So, ito, yung theta 1 natin. And then, itong theta 2, so, dito. So, this is southeast. So, dito. Dito banda. Maganon. Ganyan konti. Ayan. So, ganyan. So, this is the theta 2 natin. Ayan. So, ito yung, let's say, A, ito yung B, and then point C. So, una, kunin muna natin yung central angle natin, which is, di ba, yung ito. This is the central angle. And then, ito, i-reflect lang natin dito. So, ito is theta 1 din. So, para makuha yan, di ba, ito is 180 degrees. So, yan is, ito yung theta 1, and then ito yung theta 2, and then ito yung central angle natin. So, 180 degrees minus theta 1 minus theta 2. So, yung central angle natin is equivalent lang siya sa 26 degrees. Ayan. So, yung central angle natin or the angle of intersection is 26 degrees. Ayan. So, i-plot lang natin. Ayan, so this is the radius. Ayan, radius. And then ito yung tangent distance natin. And then may binigay, which is yung point of, sulit lang natin ng kulay. So this is the point of stationing of the vertex. So ito. So ito, PI. Point of intersection. Ito is 4 plus 360.2. And then yung PC natin, 4 plus 288.4. And then ito yung PT natin. So, this is the middle ordinate, external distance. Ito yung length ng curve natin. So, long chord. Ayan. So, una, kunin natin yung radius natin. So, radius, letter A. So, pwede natin kunin sa T is equal to R tangent I over 2. So, yung I over 2 natin dito, so, 26 divided by 2, so 13 degrees yung angle natin dito. Ayan, so dito pwede natin kunin yung radius natin dito sa formula ng tangent distance. So, tangent distance, so T is equal to, ito, station sa PI minus station sa PC. So, T is equal to, so 4,360.2 minus 4,288.4. So, that is 71.8 meter. Ayan. So, isalpak lang natin dito. So, 71.8 meter is equal to R tangent I over 2. So, 13 degrees. Ayan. So, yung radius natin is 311 meter na lang. Ayan. So, yan yung radius natin. Next is the external distance. So, letter B. So, E is equal to R secant I over 2 minus 1. Ayan, so E is equal to 311 yung radius. 1 over cosine 13 na lang minus 1. So, external distance is equal to 8.5 8.181 meter. Ayan, so yan yung external distance natin. So letter C, dito na lang. Ito natin ang kulay. So let's say green. Ayan, so letter C, ito, middle ordinate. So M is equal to R 1 minus cosine I over 2. So that is M 311. 1 minus cosine 13 is equal to, ayan, compute natin. So that is 7.971 meter. So yan yung middle ordinate natin. And letter D, chord distance. So chord distance, so C is equal to 2R sine I over 2. Ayan, so C. So isalpak na lang natin. Ayan, so compute. So makukuha natin dyan is 139.920 meter. And then letter E, yung letter E natin is ito. Length of curve, which is LC, is equal to pi RI divided by 180 degrees is equal to, so isalpak na lang natin yung mga formula natin, yung mga ito sa calculator natin. And then ang makukuha natin dito is 141.127 meter. Ayan. So yan yung chord distance and ito yung length of curve natin. Ito. And then pinapakuha yung letter F, station PT. Ayan, so station PT dito. So pinapahanap yung dyan. So station PT is equal to, mula dito sa may station PC, and then travel tayo. So mag-travel tayo, madadaanan natin tong length ng curve. So pa-forward yung travel natin pag ganun. So i-plus natin yung LC. Ayan, so compute. So compute natin. So 4,288.4 plus yung length of curve natin na ito, 141.127 meters. So, ang makuha natin dyan is 4,429.527 meters. So, paano isulat yon? So, 4 plus 429.527. So, pag sa 1,000 na, yun na yung kilometer. And then, yung sobra, yun yung meter. Ayan. So, wala naman ng unit ito pag stationing. So, unitless siya. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Kilometer and 429.527 meter na yung distance natin dito sa my point of tangency, or ito na yung station natin. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for sample problem number 4. Ayan, so, I hope naintindihan natin for this sample problem para sa practice natin, para mas maintindihan natin, and for your quiz, ayan, may mas makakasagot kayo for your quiz, ayan, later on. So, yan, thank you for listening.